Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 18th, 2021. We're going to give you all the price prediction update in the market for Stellar. While everyone else is running crazy, running confused, trying to understand what's going on with the movement to the downside, we got you. We're here to show you all how to read a price chart, how to get in position, how to minimize losses, and also profit in this space, all without being confused. So before I break this down as to what is going on in the market for Stellar, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. You want to come back to this channel because we're here to help you out. We're here to make sure that we are all in position to win from the anticipated price movement right before anyone else. So now you guys can see the last time we did our price prediction in Stellar was on March the 30th, and we expected the market to go higher in price. So you guys can see what the trap has already laid down against our price prediction. We expected the market to go up, and it did. Just that simple. So if anything, what 10.5% could have been had into the market from our video that we did on March the 30th. If we wanted to get out today, we'll be up 30, almost 31%. At the high, you could have been up at least 68.25. It's just that simple. Be careful of anyone who does not understand how to predict price movement. If anyone has technical indicators on their charts, they're confused. If anyone is trying to speak in parabolic terminology, technical analysis jargon, be wary of them, because it is not difficult into garnering where price is going to go. So congratulations to you if you was able to capitalize on this profit taking event that we saw coming on March the 30th. Done. Over. Now, while everyone here on these social media platforms are scurrying about trying to figure out why the market is down substantially across the cryptocurrency space, we can relax, because the trap always gives us a heads up as to what is anticipated to happen. He always tells us the price charts don't lie. The only problem is where people come in and try to interpret what it means. That's it. Price bars and volume is the consensus of the market. This is what everyone believes and maintains. So while many people think that the market is manipulated, we can actually utilize that to our benefit though, right? We want the market to be manipulated so that we can actually get a heads up as to what is going to happen. Okay? So first things first, you guys can tell that Stellar today came right back down to our support area. Boom. See, he tells us precisely what the market is trying to do. That is support right there around 44, 45 cents. So we broke the trend. Okay, no doubt about it. You guys can see here on this very quick ascending line that the market in Stellar has tried to break the ascending line today, but now we're closing well above it. So a lot of people today felt that this dip in price for Stellar is a perfect opportunity to come in and buy more of it, because they are under the premise that the price will continue to go higher. That's it. So they think that Stellar is a bargain as of this particular moment. Let's find out. So let's take this line away. First thing we're going to do, we're going to move this here. Okay. This is the trading channel now going forward into the market in Stellar. Okay. We're going to expect the market in Stellar to hold these two lines as we continue to trade. Okay, we need to get more confirmation that the strength is still entrenched and it is still intact to continue to allow this market to go higher in price. So if anything, we're not expecting nothing out the market right now. It has to wash itself out. It has to get more. It has to get back on its feet. You know, it took a major blow today by it going down double digits. So now it has to get back on its feet, shake it off, and then we'll get a better idea as to what the market in Stellar is trying to do. But for right now, this is it. We're just going to expect the market in Stellar just to trade within these two trading channels, right? And it's going to give us more opportunity to see what the trap has in store in the market, because obviously this 1-2-day price bar on this very wide spread literally took out all. You got to think about it. All of the work and energy it took for Stellar right here. What was that about? What, 2, 4, 6 2-day price bars So 12 days of trading, it took the market in Stellar to go all the way up there to 65.70 cents. 12 trading days. All of that has been wiped out literally in one day. That is massive. We need to pay attention to those type of things because it says a lot. Look at this on the 3-day time frame. So one thing I'm here to tell you is that, yeah, there's a lot of market participants today who are under the premise that this is a major opportunity to come in and purchase Stellar. Now, for us, it's not. We need to wait. We need to wait to see if the market can continue to give us that strength. Because one thing that you can see is that on this current 5-day price bar, we're not getting that volume. The last 3 5-day price bars, the volume has been excruciating high, which lets us know that the market was definitely feeling the price moving higher. Look at this on the 3-day. The volume as well is not coming through on this 3-day price bar. Not as it was on the last 2 3-day price bars. So again, what do you all expect to see in the market in Stellar? On the 3 weeks time frame, take a look at that. This volume over the last 3 weeks, which we have 7 hours left, tells us that there is definitely a lot of weakness here into the market in Stellar. So I'm not expecting the market in Stellar to resume back up to higher prices. If anything, we're going to get this sideways trading action, which will give us enough time to come back and take a look at the market in Stellar to see if it's going to go back down. Okay. So I'm not looking for the market in Stellar to do too much besides trade this trading range. Initially, on an hourly time frame, yes, the market is giving us strength, but we got some areas of restriction that it will have to break above 55.6, namely all the way up here to around 56.5 cents. That's about how high I will be looking for the market in Stellar to go before we'll see more indication of market weakness. Okay. So now that's it. For us, we're not going to put in a price prediction. We're going to leave that up to you. We want you all to drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you all expect the market in Stellar to go over the next 2 weeks. Okay, let's do that real quick. Over the next 2 weeks, where do you all expect the market in Stellar to go? One thing that I can see here that's pretty good is the fact that Stellar still maintained this upward trend, right? It is still holding that for the most part. You guys can see that the market in Stellar came back down, tested this trend, and now we're seeing it come back up. So now this is pretty much it. Are we going to break that to the downside? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. As always, it's relatively simple to see and understand. We're not going to participate on this movement here. It needs to wash itself out. Then we'll come in, see what the trap has done in relation to our price chart, and then we'll come back in and play alongside with them. But right now, at some point, you need to just take a break. Let them work it out. Let them go in and fight, and let them determine which way the market's going to go. And once they get all that out the way, then we can come in and start taking that bag back. Now, if you want to, drop the comment in the comment section and tell me, where do you all expect the price in Stellar to go in the next 2 weeks? And we'll just sit back and kick back. Let us know. Drop the comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.